Don't shoot.
They just threw a man over my yard.
Hello.
Yes.
So,
Papa, let me go for me afraid.
afraid of what?
But they still like he shoots money.
Come on, come.
Yo.
Come.
I say one man just get shot there so a while ago there.
And if you did warm over here, then I should just tell me.
Big man, them just kill one man over here. So what my bag? What my bag there? What my bag?
I do up this.
They rob me. Where my bag? If I'm right, just let me right here. So where my bag?
Have a cut. Let's come home.